Hello, today we're going to go over how to create a Google document. Make sure that you are logged into your Google account. So here I am at my google.com. Right here I am signed in. Now, once you are signed into your account, you'll see the little 9 dots up there in the top right. If you'll click on that, and then you'll click on Google Drive. Now, if this is your first time opening up Google Drive, you're not going to really have anything in here at all. So to create a Google document, uh, you will go over to the left here where it says New, click on it, and then you'll see you have there are different choices here. And I'm going to click on Google Docs. And now I have created my first Google document. You want to make sure you give it some sort of title. So I'm just going to type first document, and it will automatically save, so you do not have to worry about saving anything. It saves for you, and now you are ready to go with your first Google document.